what's going on, guys? I'm going to be doing a short review on the multi-device Logitech K380 keyboard, Bluetooth keyboard that is. Let's check it out. Let's get into it. Let's go. So, yeah, this is going to be a quick unboxing. The reason I honestly picked this up, there's lots of reviews on this, is solely due to the fact that I was using a bigger keyboard. That's how it looks when it comes out of the box. I had already opened this up, guys. I ain't even gonna front to you. Yeah. You know what I mean? That's how it comes. Essentially, it's strictly Bluetooth. You don't have to use a USB dongle thingy on the side or anything. It comes with batteries, all that. Move my camera down. Zoom in on that. Oops. There we go. Yeah, it comes with batteries already inside of it. All that. No USB dongle needed or anything like that. You're allowed to sync up to 3 devices, as you can see. 1, 2, 3. It's super slim. Like you can hand this down, and as you can see, you know what I mean, just type away and do whatever you want. You know, essentially to sync it, you would essentially hold down 1 or 2 or 3, and that's it, and you can have up to 3. What you will need out of the box, not out of the box, but what you will need to use this is download, especially on the laptop or desktop, you'll need the Logitech options. It's called Logitech Options, and it allows you to seamlessly go from one computer to the next, and you just need it to so it syncs. So on syncing, you'll connect to the Logitech keyboard. You'll see it in your Bluetooth options, and then it'll tell you to push like 4, 5, 6, like some numbers, and just press enter, and then it's there. It's paired. Now, if you want to look at it based off the old one I had, watch this. We're gonna push this up. Sorry, guys. Push this up, and let me move out a bit. And that was the old keyboard I was using, which was another Logitech. Was wireless, had a little dongle you have to plug into the computer, and vice versa. You can see the difference right there. Again, this is just a short review. I had no intention of reviewing this, but I said, hey, it is tech, right? If you hear anything in the background, that's my cat. Yeah, it's literally so small. It's portable. You can put this in your backpack if you're away, and you can use it with your smartphones as well. So, you know what I mean? You could essentially, like this, if you wanted to give you a little look, you put it like that. You got your smartphone. You get the drift. You can just be typing away if you're using Word or Google Notes or whatever, Keep, any of that stuff. It's just super portable, super easy to use, super easy to get into. The only thing with this, they do not have a mouse that like matches it. So I'm gonna show you the mouse that I got in a sec. Hold on. Sorry about that. So I picked up the Logitech. This is the M585. This is also multi-device. You can only connect up to 2 devices. Let's just move this out of the mix, my old one. So you can, I do have a review on that old Logitech keyboard, the bigger one, the wireless one. So yeah, you can get a understanding. Let me just zoom in there for you guys. It does pair off nice. I wish maybe this had the yellow, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, this shoots nicely, you know. I'm going to be doing a review on this shortly as well, so you guys can see that. So also look out for that. But it pairs off nicely. So I would say those two together, these two together will cost you $100. I haven't seen it cheaper. That is $100 Canadian. So I would say American, probably 80, 70 bucks, 65 bucks or something like that. I'm not a math wizard, but yeah, somewhere in that region. Right, it might be the same. It might be $100 for both. It is a good buy. It's super portable. You can pack this with your laptop, vice versa, your desktop, wherever you're trying to go, whatever you need to do. That's just a short review on the Logitech K380 multi-device keyboard. And yeah, thanks for watching. Comment below, all that jazz. This is how it looks at the back. You got your function keys, you know, your play, stop, all that. You can actually use this with Mac, I believe, as well, because I see those controls. I'm not 200% sure, but I heard somebody tell me that you can use it with Mac, or at least Apple smartphones. So yeah, there it is. Comment below, all that jazz. Thanks, peace. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. This is a short, quick, fast review. Comment below. Let me know how you guys like these. And yeah, peace.